Everyone, my name is Artuprava Mahata, register number UR15CS051. Today I am doing my fifth data structure lab experiment, which is implementation of singly linked list. So now let's see the code of the program. So first we'll create a structure calling linked list, which will contain two members with info, which is of integer type, and next, which is a pointer of the structure type. Then we'll create another pointer of the structure type head, which will be assigned to null initially. Then we'll define the insert front method, where we'll write the code to enter the data at the front of the linked list. Next we'll do the delete front method, in which we'll first check if the head is equal to null, that means the list is empty, and show a message to the user telling that the list is empty, so we can't delete. But if it's not, we'll delete the data from the front of the list. Next, the insert end method, in which first we'll ask the user to enter the data which is to be inserted, and we have to check if head is equal to null. Then we'll insert the data at head only, else we'll enter the data at the end. The delete end method. In delete end we'll take two pointers, which is the last and previous, as we and then we'll check if the list is empty or not. If it's empty, we'll display an error message to the user. If not, we have to traverse to the end of the list and delete the last element and assigning the previous to null. Next, the insertion at middle. First, we'll ask the user to enter the data which he wants to insert in the list. Next, we'll ask the position at which the user wants to insert the data. Then we have to traverse through the linked list to the position where we want to insert the data, and then we'll insert the data at the required position. In the delete mid function, we'll first check if the list is empty or not. If it is empty, we'll display a message to user telling that the list is empty. If not, we'll traverse through the loop to the required position where we want to delete and delete at the required point. Then there's the display method. It will display the contents of the linked list. In the main method, we'll first show the user a menu telling him to enter 1 for insertion at first, 2 for deletion at first, 3 for insertion at end, 4 for deletion end, and so on. Then we'll take the option in the ch variable and take it inside a switch. In the first case, we'll call insert front method. In the second case, the delete front method. In the third, insert end method. In the fourth, the delete end method. In the fifth, the insert mid method. In the sixth, the delete method. And the seventh, display method. And we'll also display the default case telling that it's a wrong input. Then again, we'll show a message to the user if he wants to continue the execution or not, and his choice will be saved in choice variable, which is of character type, and it is then checked in the while condition, and the loop will execute accordingly to the entered choice. Now to see the output of the program. Okay, first we want to do insertion at first. We'll insert 1. Then we want to do insertion at end. We'll enter 2. Then again we want to do insertion at end. Data to be inserted, we'll insert 3. Now I want to display the linked list, so I'm entering 7. So as we can see, the 3 entered are 1, 2 and 3, and the last one is pointing to null. So again continuing, now I want to insert a value at the middle. So I'll select 5. So the data to be inserted will enter 5, and the position to which insert will give it as after 2. Now again we want to display the linked list. So as it is, we saw the variable 5 we entered after 2, and now we'll do the delete operations. First, deleting at front. So the deleted item is 1, and now deletion at end. Now again, if we want to display the linked list, so both the first and the last element are deleted, as we can see. Now again, continuing, we want to insert anything. We'll insert at first. Now I want to do deletion at middle. So I was asking the data to be deleted. So I'll give it as 2. Now again I want to display the linked list. So as we can see, the element we wanted in the middle was deleted accordingly. This shows the program is executing correctly. So thank you for watching this video.